Clogged drains and slow kitchen sinks are the worst, but you can totally keep your pipes happy by changing a few everyday habits. First off, don't just wash every little scrap down the sink. Scrape plates into the trash instead. Oils and fats from cooking? Never pour those down the drain because they solidify and cause major buildup inside your pipes. When you're done frying or cooking with grease, let it cool and toss it in the rubbish bin wrapped up so it doesn't leak. For food bits that do go down the drain, run hot water for at least 30 seconds afterward to help flush things through. Avoid using chemical drain cleaners regularly since they can mess up your pipes over time. Instead, try a mix of baking soda and vinegar if things feel sluggish. Also, use a sink strainer to catch bits of food before they slip down. If you notice a slow drain, don't wait too long. Tackle it early with a plunger or a drain snake to stop clogs from getting worse. Lastly, keep an eye on what goes down your toilet. Only flush toilet paper. Nothing else. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with clogged drains is ignoring the grease buildup in kitchen pipes, which leads to nasty blockages that cost a ton to fix. Fix this by always disposing of fats and oils in the trash, not the sink. Another common issue is flushing things like sanitary products or nappies down the toilet, which cause severe plumbing problems. Make sure these go straight into the bin. Lastly, relying too much on harsh chemical drain cleaners can damage your pipes and make future clogs worse. Instead, go for natural solutions or call a plumber if needed. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their services, making it easier to get work done right.